Hello, today we are going to work on first sounds, middle sounds, and blending. Let's start with the first sound in words. I will say a word and I want you to tell me the first sound in the word. What is the first sound in odor? O. What is the first sound in locate? L. What is the first sound in athlete? A. What is the first sound in pilot? P. Okay, say these with me. What's the first sound in effort? And what is the first sound in reptile? All right, let's move on to blending. I will say 3 sounds and we're going to put them together to make a word. T-I-D. T-I-D, tide. Oat. Oat, wrote. B-I-G. B-I-G, big. Can you try these next few on your own? So pause it after I say them and see if you can do it. And unpause and see if you did what I did. P-U-F. P-U-F, puff. V-I-N. V-I-N, vine. And last one. T-U-B. T-U-B, tube. Let's end by finding the middle sound in our words, which is the top part of our roller coaster. What is the middle sound in real? E-L. E. So can you say it with me? What is the middle sound in same? S-A-M. A. Lock. L-ock. Bite. B-ite. I. Pan. P-A-N. Said. S-ed. Bone. B-O-N. O. Great work.